Hello everyone, welcome to the factory tour of Fubang wiring harness. Today we will walk you through our standardized full processing procedure of wire harnesses. Every process is under strict control to ensure stable quality of wire harnesses. The first process is raw material requisition. Warehouse staff ensure materials according to production orders and verify specifications of wires, terminals, and plastic parts to prevent wrong materials, controlling material quality from the source. Wire cutting process. The machine cuts wires precisely to the standard length on joints with tight dimensional tolerance control. Defective cut wires are sent back for recutting uniformly. After this step, inspectors check wire length and outer jacket appearance. Non-conforming wires are returned to the cutting station for rework, and only qualified ones proceed to the next step. Qualified wires go to terminal crimping. The machine precisely crimps terminals onto wire cores to guarantee firm crimping and stable conductivity. Wires with defective terminal crimps are sorted separately for rework. Tensile test is conducted after crimping to simulate stress conditions during harness application and verify crimp firmness. Products failing the tensile test will be recrimped. Terminal inspection follows a passed tensile test. Wires passing terminal inspection move to assembly. Terminals are orderly inserted into connector housings to finish semi-finished harness assembly, ensuring pins are fully seated without loosening. The first electrical test, after assembly checks circuit continuity, short circuits, and open circuits to eliminate wiring defects in advance. Processing for special multi-core harnesses. Strip outer jacket and core insulation first, then solder connection points. Solder inspection after soldering ensures full solder joints without cold solder. After passing electrical test, the harness goes to injection molding. Followed by a second full electrical test to guarantee reliability of complex harnesses. Next is overall appearance inspection, which fully checks all cosmetic defects, including wire scratches, tilted terminals, cracked housings, and solder burns. process passing appearance inspection enter packaging process, including labeling, bagging, and boxing. Packaged finished products are transferred to a warehouse, stored by category and zone for delivery to customers. This is complete production process of every wiring harness manufactured by Fubang. Every process and every detail is crafted to deliver trustworthy quality.